Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn an image into a video with Higgsfield AI. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Higgsfield AI, log in or create an account, and then go to image, go to video, and then create video. Now you need to put the start frame, choose your start frame, and then just describe what the photo needs to do. For example, make then you can choose your model. We have so many different models. We'll just choose clean 3.0, and then you can choose the duration, and then you can choose the quality also, and then you press on generate and it will start generating the video. It will take some time, but then the video will be generated successfully, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.